Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how the beautiful whitewater rafting in Ubud Bali. And our rafting today on Ayung river rafting. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the beautiful Ubud water rafting, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will show you how the beautiful Ayung river in Ubud Bali. And today I will do whitewater rafting with my customer from Singapore, Mr. Saran family. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the beautiful Ayung river, just make sure watch the video until the end, because in this video I make videos from start point in whitewater rafting until finish point on the river on Ayung river rafting. And our journey today on whitewater rafting is around 12 kilometers. Take like 2 hours on the water. And also along the way on Ayung river there is stone carving beside the river, and also we have some waterfall down there. Okay guys, just keep stay in touch until the end of this video and enjoy the natural atmosphere from this area.
Huh?
Yes, I command backward. Push you backward, back push the front like this. Yes. When I say command stop.
Enjoy the view.
Yes.
Yeah, it's so amazing.
Nice.
Very nice view.
Hold on.
Wow, so awesome. So safety. Now it is GoPro. Wow.
Amazing.
Oh my god. Villander bottom to go.
Here.
இந்த மரங்கள்லாம் இருக்குல்ல அப்போ மரங்கள்லாம் இருக்குல்ல
Stop.
I think it was all broken and fallen down.
Actually this forest was not there in the kingdom time la ஏதோ பில்டிங் மாதிரி பண்ணிருந்தாங்க நினைக்கிறேன் இப்போ
It was fallen down. Broken.
It's fallen down.
Yeah, due to earthquake or something, we don't know, right, in the past.
Oh, hey, look at waterfall. Boy.
Awesome.
How was it? Good?
Very good, awesome. Fantastic. Thanks for bringing us here.
Yeah, this is big waterfall. The real waterfall. Video. Woohoo! Just go in there. Go to the water. Woohoo! Okay. How was it? Strong?
Yeah.
Good.
Forward.
Start. One.
Very nice.
You love it, boys?
Love it.
That's
Oh,
good.
awesome.
Woohoo!
Now you will splash water, I think.
Huh?
They will splash water.
No.
It's okay, but don't too deep. Easy. Forward. I'm lazy man now.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah, that was good, team. Okay, stop. Big one.
Forward pedal.
Easy. Forward. I'm lazy man now.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah, that was good, team.
Huh?
Stay away from
The champion boy. This one, yeah.
Yeah, this is walking. I know.
It's also walking.
Oh.
It's like a V shape. Measure up maybe.
Like, it looks deep.
I think it looks deep.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
yeah, steep.
oh shit. Mama.
Premier temple, premier temple.
Then we ready.
No, this one won't put it because it's going down.
Yeah, I'm not even done.
Sure, sure.
Hold the shank.
Oh shit.
I've been here many times. Easy, easy.
Very down.
No, no.
Not really, not really. Just 2 seconds. How was it, boy? Are you okay? Woohoo! It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Okay guys, so this is our journey today in Ayung River, and we do what on rafting in Ubud Bali. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are want to know how the beautiful Ayung River in Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.